Nursing students preparing for their NCLEX often struggle to determine what and how to study. Many people take review courses that focus on answering endless practice questions and memorizing isolated facts. This method of study increases test anxiety and produces poor results. Feuer Nursing Review offers a comprehensive, content-based review course that teaches how to apply essential nursing concepts and principles to NCLEX-style questions. For 3.5 days, our expert faculty clearly explain the most critical concepts everyone must know to pass their board exam. Experience in person 2 days of medical surgical nursing, 1 day of pharmacology, and half day of test-taking strategies. When the class is over, your Feuer review continues with 2 months of online access, over 40 hours of video lecture, study books, and over 1,500 questions. You will have a complete review of medical surgical, pharmacology, maternal newborn, pediatric, and psychiatric nursing. Come see why for over 40 years, Feuer Nursing Review has been helping U.S. educated and international nurses pass the NCLEX. Stop failing and pass now with Feuer.